Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Juliet Kulu. If you're here for the first time, it's so nice to have you here. Welcome to my channel. So today's vlog is a day in my life. I've had a very long week and the whole house is so unkept. I can't have a fulfilling day without arranging the house, so I just want to arrange the whole house today, reset everywhere. You can see like I have piles of plates in my sink. I've not washed for a day, so I just want to wash the plate and arrange the whole house so I'll be able to have a nice day. I hope you enjoy this vlog. I hope you enjoy this video. If you're here for the first time, my name is Juliet. Like I said earlier, I'm a YouTuber and I post mostly vlogs on my channel, and I love cooking, so I attach so many cooking videos in my channel, and I just show you how I live my life. I live a very simple life. I just relocated to the UK and I've been documenting my stay over here, how it feels like relocating with your spouse, and it's been amazing. It's been beautiful. It also has its own challenges, but we're moving one day at a time. Having a job and running a home is not really easy, and I try my best to make life out of my life, if that makes sense. So I applaud every hardworking mom out there that dedicates their time to take care of their home and take care of kids. Is not easy. I try to imagine myself in that situation, but it's not easy, and I applaud everyone out there doing that job. So I try to clean the house, and that's how I start my day, because a cleaned home gets me motivated to do more, and I'm happy, and you can see the joy in my heart when I have a tidy home. So I start cleaning from the kitchen because that's what takes most of my time, cleaning the gas, the kitchen hob and the whole counter. So I start from there, make sure everywhere is clean and tidy. And one thing I love about my kitchen is this electric gas. It doesn't really take time to clean. It's so easy to clean and it does the job for me. So when I first moved in here, I was so skeptical about using the electric gas because it's actually my first time using it. But I've used it for a while now and I love it. The heat is average. It doesn't really burn your pot, and I think I love it. So after cleaning the surfaces, I move to the sink because lots of things happen there and it hurts so many germs. I have tried to scrub the sink and give it a proper wash. So guys, after washing the sink, I go in by adding hot water and adding this Zflora antiseptic, and it kills germs and the smell is amazing. It leaves the kitchen smelling nice, and I tell you, it's so nice, the smell. And then I start by burning a candle. If you know me well, you will know I love burning candles. I love things that smells nice. It's warming. It feels like home. And then I move to the living area to sort out things around the house, and one thing that motivates me to clean is listening to a good song, either a worship or a song that motivates me, and I'm listening to this one currently. It's messy and I really love the song. It speaks a lot to me of the mercies of God in our life, how he shows us mercy whenever we need it, and it just speaks into my life. I just try to sort out the whole house and listen to the worship song and worship my maker. A fun fact about me while growing up, I always arrange the house. When I go to school and I get back and I find everywhere is unkept, I always get angry and I start arranging the house. My mom, my sisters, my brother, they knew Juliet was always the girl you call when everywhere is untidy, and I enjoy doing it. I love doing it. I prefer to arrange the whole house than cooking. I enjoy doing it, like I said earlier, and I'm really grateful I grew up with that. It has really helped me in overcoming so many challenges. So I just wanted to share that story of my life with you guys. So after arranging the living room, I moved to the restroom. This is my least favorite place in my house. because it's so small and I don't like bath. It's very very small and it doesn't give me that opportunity to be versatile and do so many things in the bathroom. So I just try to make it homey and comfortable even though it is small and neat. If you're looking for a good air freshener in the bathroom, try this out and it's so nice. It's a diffuser, but if you don't have a socket in your bathroom, it serves same purpose. Hi guys, so we're done. I am exhausted, but I'm glad I get to do this. Like I can start my day and I am super excited. Right now I just want to have my bath and maybe make breakfast for the family. Yes. My tired face. So I turned natural again for the past 4 years after a big chop, and I'm loving my hair now. It's now long and the density is high, is much. But it's not easy taking care of my natural hair, most especially in the UK and where I stay. I've not seen any natural hair salon I can go and treat my hair. So I've been struggling with that, and this is my go-to. It's very simple, it is very easy to make, and I take it out like this and it lasts me for a week. I just wake up and restyle it and I am ready to start my day.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to be. Because you don't know who you're going to meet. Have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to be.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots, faking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another feel. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up, no.
Hi guys, so I've been sleeping for more than 3 hours. I was super tired. I had plans. I wanted to go thrift shopping because it's been long I did that. I'm looking for some pants to style, so I wanted to go thrift shopping, but I couldn't after having the pancake. I was just too tired. I said okay, I'll sleep till 2, wake up and then go. But I woke up and I realized it's 4 p.m. and they close by 4, so it means I can't even do it today because obviously I am going to work tomorrow. being an adult is not easy. Having responsibility is not easy, but I'm glad I could like arrange the house, have that time for myself, sleep well, because it's needed. But I'm glad I feel better now. I feel good. So I just want to make dinner. I just want to do something that is very fast. I want to do stir fry sauce to eat with rice, and I'll be able to have leftover for tomorrow. I just wanted to show you a day in my life which is quite boring. I don't do anything. Most days I just stay at home and do nothing. It's just when I want to vlog, I have to look for what to vlog about. Yeah, so let's make the stir fry together and we'll just rest. Basically that's it, but I'm glad I could do everything. Yeah.
They say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, oceans meet every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care, I don't care. I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Always takes too long, yeah, too long. I ain't got all weekend. We had a good one, yeah, a good one. But the clock is ticking. I gotta move on, yeah, move on. I get there, thinking all without you. Tell me how I can make you without me. I don't want you to get too know me. For screenshots of you. I'm done with getting hate from lovers, lovers, love. Baby, can we kill this butterfly? Long-term stuff, so let go and hope for better luck next time. 'Cause I'm down with time-consuming love, you see. Baby, can we kill these butterflies? They live and then they die, and that's the way I like it. I just wanna move on with my life. I've loved you for a while, and that's the way I like it. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my own. I've been loving you for too long.
Hey guys, so I've had my bath and it's currently 9:46 p.m. I've had a very long day, well, at least I rested. So I've been finding it difficult to sleep at night. I find myself staying awake till 1 a.m. 2 a.m. and I've resorted to reading. Like, I switch off my phone, I turn off the light and drop my phone, and I resorted to reading. Like, I've been reading this book. It's called Lady in Waiting. It's about a lady that worked with Queen Elizabeth. So she shared her experience working there, being close to them, and it's really nice. And what I do is I use this lead light and I just put it on the book, so it gives me that light to read, and the main light is not affecting my eyes, so everywhere is calm, everywhere is dark, just light in my book, and it has really helped me. So right now I just want to read. Probably I'll sleep by 10 because I have to wake up early tomorrow. So I just wanted to end this vlog here. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope it was fun. If you watched thus far, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.